First, get yourself a motel room in Williams, Arizona. The next morning, get up early enough to leave by 5:30 to go to the Grand Canyon National Park. It's 6:30. We're parking by the Bright Angel Lodge. The reason we do that is because that's where the Bright Angel Trail ends. We're going to catch the 7 o'clock shuttle bus in front of the Bright Angel Lodge. That'll take us to the South Kaibab trailhead. What is today? March 30th?
29th.
March 29th? Yeah, March 29th, 2014. Now we're at the bus stop by the Bright Angel Lodge, waiting for the hiker shuttle that'll pick us up. The first one of the day in March is at 7 o'clock. Okay, here we are at the top of the South Kaibab Trail, about to head down into the Grand Canyon. Most people go down the South Kaibab because it follows ridges much of the way, so you get a great view. It gets you down quickly. Not such a great way to come back up because it's steeper than the Bright Angel Trail and there's no water. So we'll be coming back up the Bright Angel Trail, which follows a canyon. The views aren't so good, but the Grand Canyon's behind you at that point anyways. Here they come down into the canyon, coming down the South Kaibab Trail. We're about a mile into the hike. Check out this rock work.
Yeah.
How long did all that take, huh?
So much work.
Man. Going down there. We're a mile and a half into the hike at the Cedar Ridge rest stop. And we'll be going, as we always say, down there. There's the black bridge that takes you across the Colorado River at the bottom of the South Kaibab Trail. We'll be down there in just a minute. Alright, we made it down to the river. Gonna go through this tunnel, over the black bridge, around the bend, through Grandma's Woods, etc., etc. We'll be at Phantom Ranch. We'll take a lunch break there, then head back across the river and up the hill, as it were.
Up higher than it looked.
Yeah.
Colorado River. Alright, we made it to Phantom Ranch. We're going to have lunch and rest a little bit and then head back up. We're headed out of Phantom Ranch on our way up. That's what they tell me anyways. Up there somewhere. Now we're going to cross the Silver Bridge back over to the other side of the Colorado River, and we'll go up. Well, first we'll go along the river trail for about a mile, then we'll turn up the Bright Angel Trail and head up to the top. I think it's going to be dark. Alright, we made it to Indian Garden. That'll take us about 3 more hours to get to the top. And we still have 2 hours of daylight. Or a little less. Not bad. We've got flashlights and headlamps. We'll be fine. Turn your headlight the other way, Danny. Okay, we're at the 3 mile rest stop, 3 miles from the finish. As you can tell, it's getting dark. Switching to headlamps. Oh, it'll probably take us close to 2 more hours.
Headlamps, phone.
Okay, the phone died at the end of the hike. But we made it. We're back at the motel room. We're about to get up and go get some breakfast. We had a great time at the Grand Canyon.